All right, all right. Today was the last day of September, and it was the first bullish September we've had in a few years now. So another good reminder to always follow what the chart is doing and not just assume seasonality has to be a thing. And we do have a very easy chart to follow currently because we still have SPY in this bull trend, still in blue skies territory while we're above 565. And if we break out to a brand new all-time high, we should easily hit that next price target at 581. And then if we continue even higher than that, we should go to 593 above that. Now, in order to start getting bearish, we will need to roll over and break down below 565. So you could just stay bullish above 565 or at least above this rising daily 5 EMA as we continue to close above it within a bull trend. So as I always say, in a bull trend, it's a lot easier to just assume it is a bull trend until it's not. Trying to call an exact top to the exact day and the exact dollar is very difficult. So the path of least resistance in this bull trend is still going to be higher until we see proof from the price action that it's not. And if we start to roll over, we will see it in price instantly. You do not need to wait for any technical indicators to give you that information. So above 565 and definitely above 573, it looks like we will go to 581 next. If we break down below support, get risk off. On the NASDAQ 100 triple Qs, we were up 0.27% today, and we did test the breakout down here right around 483, and we are still closing above this resistance that we broke through in the past, which is above 484. So now the bulls in the NASDAQ 100 need to come out here and break to a brand new higher high above 493. And that should give the all clear that we're going higher towards 503 and then 510. If the bulls cannot hold above 483, we will likely go down towards 473. So just get risk off if we break down below that support. And then very quickly, we have something very important happening right now in Bitcoin, and that is the breakout retest of the 200 daily moving average. And in my opinion, this is a very big deal because Bitcoin has been struggling to get back over the 200 daily moving average. And if it is now breaking back over the 200 daily moving average and testing that as support, if the bulls and Bitcoin are able to bounce here, we could start to see a very impulsive move higher towards 71,000. So I'm not saying this has to happen. I'm telling you, if it does, it should be very impulsive, and we simply just need to hold above 63,000 or at least above the breakout at 60,000. Any of those support level bounces will still be a higher low within a bull trend, and that should allow Bitcoin to go higher. So I do believe this is very significant, especially for risk on sentiment. So jumping back over to the S&P 500, September is in the books, and we now are going into October, which is going to be the last month before the election. And the election is likely going to bring plenty of volatility to the market, but we are still in bull trends until we're not. So try not to fight the trend. I know it's tempting to try to call tops, but there's no need to do it. As the market is trending higher, if we get near resistance and price targets and you want to try low risk shorts, that's completely fine. But right now, we really don't have anything obvious on the chart that's telling us to go short here. If that changes, we'll see it in price and be able to instantly react. So continue to move like water and manage risk around these critical levels. If you want to come trade with me and get access to all of my intraday updates, my technical analysis, and my trade ideas, that is going to be in my Discord server, which you can find out how to join by clicking on the link in the description of this video. So thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you're crushing this market. And as always, I will see you in the next episode.